How to open CapCut Mobile Project in PC. Hey guys, so in this video I'll show you step by step whether it is possible to open CapCut Mobile Project in PC. After you open up your CapCut PC like this now, go ahead and tap on this create project button. So after you come to this where it says create project, so now go ahead and tap on this menu at the top left side. So from this menu, scroll to down and go to settings. Under the settings, now if you come to the settings and tap on this performance. So if you come to this performance, as you can see now, scroll all the way to down under the performance. So as of today that I'm recording this video, as I think the option has been removed, but before you may find an option which says upload mobile project at this option. Because now, as of now that I'm recording this video, CapCut used to add more objects in the CapCut PC. So I think they have removed the option for you to upload the CapCut mobile project inside your PC. For now, I think it's not possible to do that. And that's it, guys.